单的汤面 ，OK？ We're gonna prepare a very easy ramen for this quarantine, okay? For this, we're gonna need 2 cups of water. We need some soy sauce, some sesame oil, a bit of garlic, powdered garlic, Ajinomoto,
a chili bean sauce.
We need some chicken broth. This is powdered, no? A bit of powdered chili. And 1 sausage. Some Napa cabbage. Some slices of tomato, ginger slices, and 1 egg. Okay? You can put any kind of species that you want for the broth. So for me, I like it with tomato and ginger and all the sauces I gave you. 好，我们就需要，我已经跟你们讲了哈，酱油，这个是这叫什么？忘了，是什么油啊？我忘记了，麻油。辣椒，一点蒜头粉，一点Ajinomoto，这个是鸡肉汤粉，一点辣椒粉，一个香肠，白菜，姜，番茄，还有一个鸡蛋。好，现在我们要介绍你们怎么切 ，OK？ Ian is gonna help me cutting the cabbage or the sausage first.
We cut the sausage in half. So I already cut the sausage.
香肠切好了。We're gonna put the water. We're gonna start boiling the water. 要把那个水要给它煮开。Okay, and we're gonna start cutting the cabbage. Okay, 白菜也要切。Okay, I'm gonna help him with this, and he's gonna cut. Okay, Ian, please.
So I already cut the cabbage. Now I'm gonna let my mom cook. Bye.
Okay, now we're gonna slice the tomatoes in small pieces. 把番茄切小一点哈。那我们要开始准备了，把姜也切小小的。We're gonna cut the ginger slices and we're gonna put it into the pot. Already put the ginger, the tomato. We're gonna put the cabbage. We're gonna put in the sausages and all the spices. Okay, for this we're gonna put just a little bit of garlic powder. Ajinomoto. And we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And we're gonna let it cook for a while, like 1 minute. We're gonna let it cook. OK, 我就已经把菜加进去了哈，番茄菜、姜、香肠，还有把全部的料都放进去了。我放了1小条跟酱油，1小条跟蒜头粉，还有Ajinomoto，所以我们就让它现在煮好了。我们把蛋放进去。We're gonna crack the egg and we're gonna put it into cook。把蛋放进去，这样子。Okay, and we're gonna let it cook like for 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of Chinese chili. This is garlic chili. 我们加一点点那个，我们中国式的那个辣椒，蒜头辣椒，好，把它加一点。After 2 or 3 minutes, we're gonna add in the noodles. Okay, and I think in the ingredients I didn't say that we need noodles. Okay, we're gonna leave it like 2 minutes or 3 more. 再留2到3分钟。Okay, now it's ready. I'm gonna add some drops of sesame oil. 加一点点麻油进去。Okay, 这样就好了。我要准备把它拿出来。I'm gonna take it out and put it in a bowl. Okay, and our easy quarantine ramen, it's ready. 好，我们的汤面很简单了，已经好了。你就准备吃了，很好吃 ，OK， 而且很便宜 ，It's very cheap and easy. So, please, I hope you enjoy it.